am available for all sort of MyLab courses, MS Excel, MS Word, MS PowerPoint, MS Access Mathematics, Accounting and Statistics, Problems Rock.
Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's session, we are taking XP22 Word Chapter 2 Cumulative Pool. I will guide you through this video step by step, making it easy for you to follow, and you can done your assignment by watching this video. You can contact me for your assignments, exam, quizzes, and for complete course on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my PC screen. I can do all online courses: accounting, finance, math, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, SAS, writing, economics, Java, C++, Python, and many more online courses. I am also handling many students courses on Pearson, Cengage, Blackboard, and many more colleges and universities. Please add me for your weekly assignments, add me for your weekly quizzes, and add me for your complete course. I will handle your complete course. You will be free from this course, and I will do your all assignment, simulation, and exam, and I will provide you A+ grade. You can contact easily on my WhatsApp and email. Let's start our assignment to solve it step by step. You can see first title of assignment XP22 Word Chapter 2 Cumulative Pool. Here is the title of assignment, and you can see the project description to get idea about your project. And moving on, question number 1. Question number 1 is that start Word, download, and open the file name. XP22 Word Chapter 2 Cumulative Pools. Grader has automatically added your last name to the beginning of file name. Ensure that non-printing characters are displayed. Basically, in this question, we will have to download Word file from Pearson ATLab dashboard. You can download this file easily from your Pearson ATLab dashboard. You can see this my file. I have also downloaded this file from a Pearson ATLab dashboard. Okay, we will show non-printing characters. Now moving on, question number 2. You can download this file easily from your college, school, university portal. Then question number 2. Select crystal clear perfection at the end of the first body paragraph and it bolded. Select all text and then change the font to Arial. Change the alignment of selected text to justify. This is very easy question. You can see this. First we will select this sentence crystal clear perfection at the end of first body paragraph and bolded. We will go to the first body paragraph and then we will select this sentence crystal clear perfection at the end of first body paragraph. Then we will go to the home tab and then simply bold it. Then we will select all text and then change the font to Arial. We will select all text, go to the font style, and then we will change the font style to Arial. Then we will change the alignment of selected text to justify. Okay, we will go to the paragraph group and then go to the alignments and then we will select justify. This is easy question. Now moving on Word file, and then I will apply this question on my Word file. You will see my video and you will follow my video and you can done your assignment by watching this video. First we will select crystal clear perfection in the first body paragraph. Okay, go to the font group in the home tab and apply bold on this sentence. Okay, first we will select this sentence, go to the home tab in the font group, apply bold on this. Then we will select all text and change the font to Arial. Select all text and change the font to Arial. We will select all text, go to the font style, and then we will change the font style to Arial. Scroll down and then you can see where is Arial. Okay, you can apply this Arial style on this font style. Then change the alignment of selected text to justify. Simply go to the paragraph group and then we'll go to the alignments and then we will select justify. Okay, justify, and then click on OK. This question is done now. Now moving on, next question. Next question is question number 3. Select first two body paragraph on page 1 and adjust the line spacing to 1.5. Ensure that paragraph spacing before and after to 0 point for the selected paragraph. Apply a first line indent for the two paragraph of 0.5 inches. Okay. First, we will select the first two body paragraph on page 1. First two body paragraph on page 1 and adjust the length spacing to 1.5. Moving on Word file and then select first two body paragraph on page 1. This is page 1 and then we will select this two body paragraph, first body paragraph and second body paragraph, and then we will go to the paragraph group and then adjust the length spacing to 1.5. Okay, go to the paragraph group and then go to the length spacing and then we will apply 1.5. Okay, now ensure that paragraph spacing before and after 0 point for the selected paragraphs. Go to the paragraph group, go to the spacing after and before 0 point, click on OK. This is apply on it. Now apply the first line indent for two paragraph of 0.5 inches. Okay, go to the line spatial and first line 0.5 inches, click on OK. Okay, this question is mostly done now. Okay, now moving on question number 4. Select all subheadings that are formatted in bold and change the font size to 14. Okay, simply in this question we will select all subheadings that are formatted in the bold and change the font size to 14. Okay, this is subheading and then we will go to the font size and then apply 14 font size. This is subheading, we will select the set of the vacuum and then go to the font size and then apply 14 font size on this subheading. We will select this subheading, vacuum the pool and then go to the font size and then apply 14 font size on this. Scroll down, then adjust the chemical. This is subheading, go to the font size and then apply 14 font size on this. Scroll down, then we will select this backwash the filters, go to the font size, apply 14 font size on this subheading. We will select the subheading, clean the pump filter and then go to the font size and then we will apply 14 font size on this subheading. Now scroll down and then we will select this subheading, add this subheading and then apply 14 font size. Okay, we will apply all font size 14 on subheadings, on all subheadings. This question is done now. Question number 5 is that select the 4 paragraph that precede the get rid of debris headings beginning with check the pool water balance and ending with add an algicide. Add a box. Okay, select the four paragraph that precede the get rid of debris heading begin with check the pool water balance and ending with adds an algicide. Okay, now add a box double line border with 3/4 line weight and a color of blue gray text to 4th column first row. Okay, we will select this first 4 paragraph, scroll up. Okay, we will select this, check the pool water balance and then add a algicide. Okay, now add a box double line border add a box double line border with 3/4 line weight and color of blue gray text to. Go to the paragraph group and then go to the border and shading. Border is 3/4 box, 3/4 box. Here is 3/. Okay, line weight and color of blue gray text 2. Color is blue gray text 2. Okay. Then shade the border area with blue gray. Shade the border area with blue gray text. Two letters 60%. Then click on OK. Question is done now. Now moving on question number 6. In question number 6, display the ruler. Click or position the insertion point at the top of the document and press enter. Click or select the newly inserted blank paragraph. Drag or move the first line indent marker back to the left margin to remove the first line indent from the blank paragraph. Okay. Simply first we will display the ruler moving on Word file, and then we will display the ruler. Go to the view tab and then click on ruler in the show group. Ruler will be displayed. Then click or position the insertion point at the top of the document. Okay, we will click at the end of the top of the document and then press enter. Position and insertion point at of the end of the document and then press enter. Click or select the newly inserted blank paragraph. Okay, click or select the newly inserted blank paragraph. We will select, click or select it. Now drag or move the first line indent marker back to the left margin to remove the first line indent from the blank paragraph. Drag or move the first line indent marker back to the left. We will drag or move. Go to the home tab. Blank paragraph. Go to the paragraph group and then we will select none. Character is none. First line indent from the blank paragraph. This question is done now. Okay, now moving on question number 7. I have done 6 questions of this assignment right now. Question number 7 is that set a left tab at 1 inches and right tab at 5 inches. Ensure that the right tab include a dash reader. Press tab and type your pool. Do not tab the periods. Press tab and then tab your way. Okay, do not tab the period. Change the font for your pool and your way to Lucida calligraphy. Bold both text items on the first line and change the font size to 10. Okay, you can read this question. Simply we will set our left tab at 1 inches and right tab at 5 inches. This is first point of this question. We will go to the Word file and simply we will set this left and right tab. 1 inches left and right is 5 inches. Please follow my video and you will done your assignment by watching this video. If you do not able to do this assignment, then you can contact me on my WhatsApp or email. I will do this complete assignment for you with A+ grade. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on the bottom of the screen. Okay. Left tab is 1 inches and then right tab at 5 inches. Right tab at 5 inches. Okay, this is 5 inches. Now ensure the right tab include a dash reader. Press tab. Ensure that the right tab include a dash reader. Go to the paragraph and then go to the tabs. Tab stop position is default tab stop. Okay, leader. Then click on OK. Set default is good now. Here is set tab default 0.5 inches and editor. Now press tab and then tab your pool. Press tab. Sorry, go to the paragraph group. We will set first this. Okay, tab is 5 inches, left tab, and then right tab is left tab is 1 inches and right tab is 5 inches. You can see in the tab box. Then alignment and leader, 5 inches right tab. Then click on set. Then click on OK. Okay, this is good now. Now press tab and type your pool. Press tab and then we'll copy and then paste here your pool. Copy and paste here your pool. Your pool, we will type here your. Okay, then press tab and type your way. Press, you can copy this and then we'll press tab and then we will type or paste here your way. Go to the paragraph group. Okay, then set it and then click on OK. Okay, this is good now. You can see right now, good now. This is good now. We will adjust this. Left tab is 1 and then right tab is 5 inches. Then we will show dash leader and then we will press tab and then tap your pool and then we will press tab and then tap your way. Copy and paste here. Okay, change font for your pool and your way to Lucida calligraphy. Okay, Lucida calligraphy, we will go to the font style and then we will change this font style to Lucida calligraphy. Okay, where is Lucida calligraphy? Scroll down and then you can see Lucida calligraphy. Here is Lucida calligraphy. You can see this is Lucida calligraphy. Okay, this is good now. Now bold both text items on the first line and then change the font size to 10. We will go to the home tab and then apply bold and then go to the font size and then apply 10 font size. You can see this. I have done 65 to 75% of this assignment. For remaining question and if you want to read for complete course, you can contact me on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my PC screen. You can contact easily on my WhatsApp and email. I will hand out your complete course. You will be free from this course. I will do your all simulation training, all assignment project, midterm and final, and all course with A+ grade. Please follow my video, and if you do not able to do this assignment, then you can contact me. Then I will handle your this assignment and I will do this complete assignment for you with A+ grade and very reasonable prices. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and like my video. If you need help in any course, you can contact me on my WhatsApp and email. I can do all online courses like economics, finance, math, Python, Java, C++, writing, English, literature, nursing, and Excel, Word, PowerPoint, SAS, writing, and many more courses. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and like my video. Best of luck to my art student. Thank you so much.